What up, people? On today's episode of Mike's Motorbikes, we're going to be playing with this 1996 Diahatsu Hijet mini truck. So what we're going to be looking at specifically today is a question I get asked all the time, which is how fast does this little truck go? And today we're going to answer that question exactly and precisely using GPS speed tracking via my old broken iPhone. So if you're not familiar with these trucks, they have 0.66 liter or 660 cc's of Fury. It is producing a whopping 44 brake horsepower, which obviously we're not breaking any land speed records today, but it is a common question I get asked all the time. So we're going to see what this bad boy will do on some back roads. We got a couple of hills we're going to go up and see exactly what you should expect while driving a mini truck on the roads. So I've picked a nice road. It's got a couple small uphills, a couple small downhills, and let's see what we can do. So we got first gear. Let's see, first gear gets us 10 miles an hour, second, 15, 20, that's third, gets us to 30 just about. Now we're in fourth. We're going to be in fourth for a while. Fourth is kind of your gear for going up hills and still trying to accelerate, and then fifth gets you just kind of cruising, drops the RPM. So we're at 46, 47, 50, 52. Which is about 80 kilometers an hour. Once I get past this little hill here, I think it should pick up a little more speed. We'll hit fifth gear. But for now, we're going to stay in fourth. So far, we've only been able to hit just over 50, which not surprising. Like I said before, we got a whopping 44 brake horsepower. So let's see, we got 51. We got another uphill here, and then it should be smooth sailing after that. Here's where we're going to pick up some speed. We got a nice little downhill coming up. Let's hit fifth gear. See if we can hit like 55 over here. 51, 52. Windy day too, that's probably not helping very much. Nope, 52. It's the best we got so far. You know, on a smooth highway, it'll go a little faster, but not much. That's pretty much about what you'll get out of it. But I think we can hit 55 today. I just want to point out too, if you're going to get one of these trucks and you live kind of like this in the country with a lot of 50-mile-an-hour back roads, you're going to have people riding up your ass because you cannot literally do the speed limit. We have hills coming up here. Speed limit's 50 and I'm to the floor. Fourth gear, redlining her pretty much. And that's all she's got. She's not breaking any land speed records, I'll tell you that. But here, we got a nice smooth piece of road coming up here. We're going to put her in fifth gear and see if she'll hit 55. Yeah, there we go. So that's going to be about it, I think. I don't think we're even going to hit any faster than 55 miles an hour. So I found a nice straight back road, no turns, no bumps, no nothing, and that's it. We're to the floor, fifth gear. That's all she's got. There we go, baby, 56. So that's actually what she's got up. There's an officer. We're actually speeding 56 miles an hour. Look at that. Didn't think I'd ever pass a cop speeding this thing. But yeah, it's kind of all she gets. That's all she wrote. So there's that. Mike's Motorbikes. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, guys.